A new start.
Anna arrives at the gym for her first training day. She wants to exercise, but she needs help. Ben, the trainer, meets her at the front desk.
I want to start training today, but I do not know what to do first.
Great. I am Ben, your trainer. We will make a simple plan.
Good. I feel a little nervous.
That is normal. First, I need to ask a few health questions.
Question. What will probably happen next? A. Anna will run outside alone. B. Ben will ask Anna some questions at the desk. C. Ben will close the gym early. B. Ben will ask Anna some questions at the desk.
Do you have any pain today?
No pain, but I forgot my towel.
No problem. Here is a gym towel and your wristband.
Thank you. Where do we go now?
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will buy new shoes. B. They will sit in the cafe. C. They will go to the warm-up area. C. They will go to the warm-up area.
We start with 5 minutes of warm-up.
Like this? Oh, my shoe is open.
Stop for a second. Tie it first.
Good idea. I do not want to fall.
Question. What will Anna probably do next? A. She will leave her shoe open. B. She will lift heavy weights now. C. She will tie her shoe and continue warming up. C. She will tie her shoe and continue warming up.
Your goal is to feel stronger, right?
Yes, and I want more energy.
Then we start with easy cardio.
The treadmills look busy. Is there one for me? On the treadmill.
Anna and Ben find one free treadmill. Anna wants to try it, but she presses the buttons too quickly.
I pressed start. Why is it so fast?
You chose level 8. Hold the rails.
Level 8? That is too much for me.
Stay calm. I will slow it down now.
Question. What will Ben probably do next? A. He will walk away from Anna. B. He will make the treadmill faster. C. He will lower the treadmill speed. C. He will lower the treadmill speed.
Now it is level 3. Better?
Yes, much better. What is this red clip?
It is for safety. Put it on your shirt.
Oh, I did not know. Should I use it now?
Question. What will Anna probably do next? A. She will attach the safety clip to her shirt. B. She will stop training for the day. C. She will throw the clip on the floor. A. She will attach the safety clip to her shirt.
Oops, my water bottle fell.
No worries. Press pause first.
I am sorry. I put it in the wrong place.
Use the holder. Then we can continue.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will put the bottle in the holder. B. They will leave the bottle on the floor. C. They will drink coffee on the treadmill. A. They will put the bottle in the holder.
I feel good now. Can I run faster?
Not today. First day, easy pace.
Okay. What comes after cardio?
We try 2 strength machines, but we start light.
Learning the machines.
After cardio, Anna and Ben go to the strength area. Anna is excited, but the machines look new and confusing.
This is the leg press. Sit with your back flat.
My feet do not reach well.
The seat is too far. We must adjust it.
Can you show me the handle?
Question. What will Ben probably do next? A. He will show Anna how to adjust the seat. B. He will move to the pool. C. He will tell Anna to use it badly. A. He will show Anna how to adjust the seat.
The seat feels better now.
Good. Try 1 slow push.
Oh, this weight is heavy.
Then we lower it. Form is more important.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will add more weight. B. They will ignore Anna's problem. C. They will reduce the weight on the machine. C. They will reduce the weight on the machine.
That was better. What machine is next?
The shoulder machine. But someone is using it.
Should we wait?
We can use light dumbbells instead.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will ask the person to leave. B. They will stop the workout completely. C. They will choose light dumbbells. C. They will choose light dumbbells.
Lift slowly. Keep your wrists straight.
Like this? My right wrist feels strange.
Stop now. Put the dumbbells down.
Is it serious? I am worried. A safe finish.
Ben stops the strength exercise to keep Anna safe. They check the wrist, stretch, and make a short plan for her next visit.
Can you move your wrist slowly?
Yes, it feels okay now.
Good. We stop weights for today.
So, what do we do instead?
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will leave the dumbbells in the walkway. B. They will continue lifting weights. C. They will go to the stretching area. C. They will go to the stretching area.
Stretch your leg, but do not push too hard.
Sorry, the class is loud. I cannot hear you.
Let's move to the quiet corner.
Yes, please. I want to do it right.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will turn off all the gym lights. B. They will move to a quieter corner. C. They will join the loud class. B. They will move to a quieter corner.
This corner is much better.
Great. I will write your next short workout.
Short is good. I only have 30 minutes after work.
Then we make a 30-minute plan for Friday.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will start a 2-hour workout. B. They will throw away the workout card. C. They will go to the desk to book Friday. C. They will go to the desk to book Friday.
Here is your plan. Cardio, leg press, and stretching.
I like it. I feel proud. Not scared.
Good work today. Do you want to book Friday?
Yes, Friday after work is perfect.